All right, got the water boiling. Here we go. Putting them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam, done. Look at all this steam. Whew. All right, we're just gonna let her sit. We turned off the thing to off. Right now I'm just gonna put some cold water in there. All right, so I threw some ice in there. All right, so I'm gonna try cracking them up and see how they do. I'm just kind of smushing them. Here we go, we're gonna chop up some eggs. Whoops, they're escaping. They know their fate. All right, here we go. We need a bowl to put them in. All right, looking good. Yeah, check this out. We found another use for this.
I don't need that big bowl, I need a littler one.
Oh, you get that egg, get that egg. It's working pretty good. You got one big piece. It's okay. We found another use for this. Check it out. Chopping eggs. Oh, get that bad boy there. Murder him. Murder him.
This, they weren't, did you let them sit a while, honey, in the water?
Yeah.
It's weird.
And then I put them in ice water too.
That's weird.
So that they'd be nice and icy. They're still good.
I mean,
You throw it in the microwave for 2 seconds and it'll cook it. But don't put the mayonnaise on until you stick it in the bowl, stick it in the microwave, and Bob's your uncle. We're getting a smaller bowl apparently. Get that thing right there. All right, looking good. That's good. See how she locked it out? You need to get in there and just scrape the stuff off of it. She's trying to get every piece of egg there is. Well, look, that's good. You got enough egg over there.
I did.
I mean, you know.
See all that in there?
Go ahead and put that in the sink.
Ooh, look at all that came out just to here.
There's another little piece there. We'll wash that after. All right, so now we got to squish this in there. And so should we put it? I think you need the bigger bowl.
I think I do. Mash it all around. Son of a bitch.
All right, we got a mess here, but we'll clean it up afterwards. Look at it. We didn't use any harsh chemicals, did we? All right, so here we go. We're going to pour in here, and then we're going to use vegan mayonnaise. It's got no dairy products in it, I think. And we're going to use about 2 scoops of fork. 2 fork scoops. Turn the water off so you can hear me. So we put 2 fork scoops of vegan mayonnaise. That's it. Do we put salt and pepper or anything in there?
I just put a little salt for her.
Oh, that looks good. Just a small amount of salt. She's parting on her hands so she knows. Now she's washing her fingers. Bam, done.
I could eat like the whole thing of egg salad. I just love it.
You love egg salad. Eggs are like, you know, one of the 4 food groups for you. Actually, I did buy you some eggs. How's it taste? Good? That's it. Put the mayonnaise away. Now you can stick it back in that one.
I am.
You better taste it again.
She'll complain about that.
You better just taste it. How's it taste?
I think it's good.
You could not pay me to eat chicken and burritos.
Actually, I can put it in this cup because he doesn't need to give this back to me.
What cup? Well, just eat enough so it fits in the cup. Oh, look what we're doing. We're giving them a red, what do they call those?
Solo.
Solo cup, a red solo cup for the egg salad. Hey, why not? All right, this is your basic egg salad. Now, you could add other stuff. What could you put in there?
Avocado, onions, dill, chives.
Scrape it all out. Now, you went through all that trouble to get the, good. Get a spoon and you can eat that up.
Don't you worry.
All right. Okay, so that's our egg salad, and that's going to Mom's. What's going on here? All right. All right, I'm going to show you how to clean this thing.